Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Bestwood Crack Filler is probably one of the most important products you'll ever use for your woodworking projects, whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior tackling a DIY project. Choosing the right wood crack filler can make all the difference in the final look and longevity of your work, ensuring a seamless finish that hides imperfections and protects the wood from further damage. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and applying the perfect wood crack filler for your specific needs. Number 5. Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler. It's the ultimate solution for fixing cracks, gouges, and holes in wood. Its durable formula ensures long-lasting results. This unique formula is incredibly easy to spread, giving you a smooth, professional finish every time. It blends seamlessly with the wood for a natural, unnoticeable repair. You'll love how it looks. It's ready for paint or stain once dry, and sands easily for a perfect finish. Get professional results with ease. This wood filler is specially formulated to resist shrinking and cracking, ensuring a long-lasting repair. It's built to last. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects, and it's water-resistant to withstand the elements. Use it anywhere. What we like. If you need a strong and durable wood filler for large cracks and holes, this is a great option. Its easy-to-spread formula ensures a smooth finish for professional-looking results. This makes it perfect for larger repair jobs where strength and a seamless finish are crucial. What people say. I found that using a spray bottle to mist the tub, or the area I'm working on, made the putty much easier to work with. Dries hard and seems like it'll last. I used some sanding sponges a couple days later and love the outcome. After applied, I was worried it wasn't going to stick and all chip out as soon as I started sanding. The next day I was very surprised and impressed. This is as close to real wood as I have seen. It was very hard and adhered extremely well. I was able to both sand and sort of sculpt chisel scrap to match the shape of the original trim. The filler dries quickly and hardens well, providing a durable repair that can withstand further sanding and finishing. Number 4. Minwax 42853 Wood Filler. This wood filler is specially designed to seamlessly blend with Minwax stains, providing a perfect finish for your projects. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Repairing cracks, gouges, and other imperfections in wood has never been easier. It works beautifully with both oil-based and water-based stains. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this filler is perfect for all types of unfinished wood surfaces. It ensures a smooth, even surface for staining. It's formulated to accept Minwax penetrating wood stains, ensuring a consistent color match. This makes it incredibly versatile for any project. Say goodbye to unsightly imperfections. This filler effortlessly repairs cracks, nail holes, and knot holes, leaving your wood looking its best. It's the perfect solution for both interior and exterior projects. For generations, Minwax has been synonymous with quality and reliability. This wood filler continues that tradition, providing exceptional results every time. What we like. If you're planning on staining your wood project, this is the one for you. It's specially formulated to accept wood stains, giving you a consistent color throughout. This ensures your repair blends seamlessly with the surrounding wood. It's perfect for projects where stainability is key. What people say. It is slightly dry but very workable. It dries hard, and I was able to scrap it down then sand it with no issues. It took the stain fairly well. Unless you know about the repair, from any normal viewing distance, you can't even tell I had to repair the boards at all. This filler works well for both interior and exterior applications, making it highly versatile. Its consistency is easy to work with, allowing for smooth application and filling of cracks, holes, and other imperfections in wood surfaces. One of the standout features is its stainability. Once the filler dries and is sanded, it takes stain very well, blending seamlessly with the surrounding wood. The stainable wood filler is fantastic. It's super easy to apply and dries quickly, making it perfect for fixing small holes and cracks in wood. What I love most is that it stains beautifully, blending in seamlessly with my furniture and wood projects. It's also easy to sand down to a smooth finish, and the texture is really similar to real wood once it's dried. Number 3. Starbond Light Brown CA Glue. It's a high-performance industrial-grade adhesive, perfect for various applications. This medium brown CA glue dries to a light amber color, so you don't need to add sawdust. You get 2 applicator caps for clog prevention, a clog-free stopper with a tiny pin, and a bag of micro-tips for precision application. It's everything you need to get started. It's ideal for accenting spalted wood, filling small gaps, and bonding closely fitted parts. Its versatility makes it perfect for many woodworking projects. It has a viscosity similar to motor oil, allowing it to penetrate cracks up to 0.006 inches. This ensures strong bonds in various materials. It boasts a quick bonding time of just 10 to 15 seconds. This means you can complete your projects efficiently. This glue simplifies your woodworking tasks. Its strength, precision application, and fast bonding time make it a must-have. What we like. For those tiny cracks and intricate woodworking projects, this is your best bet. Its high precision application and fast drying time make it ideal for detailed work. Its strong bond ensures a lasting repair, perfect for delicate or valuable items. It's perfect for woodturners and those working on smaller, detailed projects. What people say. The dark brown color of the glue blends seamlessly with wood surfaces, providing a natural appearance once cured. It effectively disguises imperfections like knots or gaps, enhancing the overall aesthetic of woodworking projects without the need for extensive sanding or staining. Once cured, the CA glue forms a strong and durable bond that is resistant to moisture, heat, and most chemicals. It enhances the structural integrity of wood joints and fills voids effectively, contributing to the longevity and durability of woodworking projects. I used this to fill the open knots in a new countertop at the cabin. It filled them in, and when sanded and polyurethaned, the countertop looks fantastic. This blended perfectly with the pine knots. It made it completely flat with nothing for crumbs to get caught in. Number 2. Gorilla Wood Filler. It's the ultimate solution for fixing cracks, gouges, and holes in wood. Its durable formula ensures a long-lasting repair. This unique formula is incredibly easy to spread, giving you a smooth, natural finish every time. It's paintable, sandyable, and highly stainable, making it perfect for professional-looking results. Say goodbye to shrinkage and cracking. It provides a lasting, reliable repair that stands the test of time. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and it's water-resistant for added protection. For strong, durable repairs that look great, choose Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler. It's the smart choice for all your wood repair needs. What we like. If you need a smaller quantity of a strong and durable wood filler for smaller cracks and holes, this is a great option. Its easy-to-spread formula ensures a smooth finish for professional-looking results. This makes it perfect for smaller repair jobs where strength and a seamless finish are crucial. What people say. This stuff works great for hole filling, especially on wood. You can use it on drywall too. Hardens relatively quick, sand off excess and paint, and you are good to go. It's easy to apply. I found that if it gets too dry, you can add just a little bit of water to soften it for more complex fills. It also dries quickly, and so you can make that quick to sand and get your projects done or underway. Fill the gaps well, easy to stain or paint over and easy to work with. Number 1. Katzco Furniture Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for quick and easy furniture repairs. It's perfect for touching up scratches and blemishes, keeping your furniture looking its best. The kit includes markers, wax crayons, wood fillers, brushes, a sharpener, and a spatula. You'll have all the tools you need for a professional-looking finish. With a wide range of colors, including white, black, maple, and cherry, it's easy to find the perfect match for your furniture. Blend colors for a custom match. These markers and crayons are designed for precise repairs. They're perfect for minor scratches and blemishes on all types of wood surfaces. It's easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving no residue. You'll be amazed at how easily you can restore your furniture. Made with durable wax, it fills in deep scratches and chips, creating a smooth, polished finish that perfectly matches your wood grain. Enjoy long-lasting repairs. What we like. If you're tackling multiple small scratches and blemishes, this kit is perfect. It offers a variety of colors and tools for precise touch-ups. The kit's ease of use makes it ideal for quick repairs and simple projects. It's perfect for quick fixes and those who prefer an all-in-one solution. What people say. The best kit for restoring and maintaining the look of my furniture. Instructions are clear and easy to follow, so even if you're a DIY beginner, you'll feel confident using it. The wax sticks are especially impressive. They blend seamlessly into the surface, filling in scratches and imperfections without leaving any noticeable marks. Was impressed with how many different colors of furniture can be touched up with this kit. The different color fillers make it easy to start with a good base, and then you can just use several different markers to blend to the existing finish. There are lots of ways to repair scratches. I used only the marker and it worked well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.